guys! Good morning! Welcome back to my channel. It's 6 a.m. in the morning right now. So, as you can hear, meron ng mga tumitilaok na manok. For today's video, we're going to make another eyeshadow tutorial. So, this particular eyeshadow makeup is inspired from Miss Michaelis. I think this makeup look, wala siyang tutorial neto sa YouTube. I would try to copy this as close as possible doon sa nagawa niya talagang eyeshadow look. And I will try my best to be super helpful kung paano magawa to sa inyo guys. And of course, I'll be talking in Tagalog, Taglish, or whatever. So without further ado, let's start with the video. So guys, I'm back. Ginawa ko lang yung brows ko and nagput ako ng contacts off camera. So, we can now start with our eyeshadow. First step for our eyeshadow, we're gonna use this eyeshadow primer, which is the Delanchi eyeshadow primer. So, just gonna put the tiniest amount here. So, gamitin ko yung fingers ko para i-blend siya. And gamit ako ng beauty sponge. Now, we're done with the first step, priming our eyes. Ngayon naman, gagamitin ko na yung first eyeshadow. So, I'm going to use this blue shade from the Morphe X James Charles palette. So, for this step, yung brush na gagamitin ko is yung Silene 512 na brush. So, para dun sa susunod na eyeshadow na gagamitin natin, I'm gonna go in with this colored green na shade from James Charles X Morphe palette pa din to. And I'm gonna be using this Silene 413 na brush. So, same lang siya dun sa ginamit ko kanina sa color blue, but medyo mas mahaba ata to ng onte. Kailangan din maging maingat sa paglagay ng shade na to para hindi maging messy yung look. Kasi, once na nagkamali tayo or sumobra tayo sa taas, medyo mahirapan na tayo mag-blend doon sa susunod na kulay. Kasi, tatlong layers tong ilalagay natin dito sa upper part ng ating crease. So, let's start. Okay, so tapos na natin ilagay yung green na eyeshadow. So, to blend yung blue tsaka yung eyeshadow together, I'm going to use this small blending brush from the Silene set again. So, this is the 4110 small blending brush. So, to blend this out, just small circular motions, tapos sobrang dahan-dahan lang. So, for our next step, I'm going to use this muted yellow na shade from the Color Fusion palette. So, yung brush na gagamitin ko for that is yung Silene 414 na angled brush. So, this brush is so tiny and maganda din to gamitin pang kilay. Para ma-blend tong muted yellow, so, I'm going to use yung clean na blending brush, which is this 508 blending brush. For the next step, I'm going to use this micellar water ng Nivea to carve out itong color blue. So, lilinisin ko na yan using a cotton bud. Para sa next step, I'm going to use another tiny brush, which is the Silene 415 brush. And I'm gonna be using this dark blue shade. At ilalagay ko siya just below dito sa light blue na shade. Okay, so now it's time for us to clean this up again. tapos na natin i-clean yung upper part ng ating crease. Now, ang gagawin natin, uulitin lang din natin yung pagkakasunod-sunod nitong 4 na colors na to dito sa baba at magagawa tayo ng eyeliner using those colors. Okay, so now for the under eye, I'm going to use this Pinkies Collection white eyeliner. Now we're done with our eyeshadow, it's time to put on some lashes. So, para hindi ma-overpower ng lashes yung eyeshadow natin, gamit lang tayo ng super wispy yet mahaba na lashes to add more drama sa ating eye look. For the last step ng ating eyeshadow look, I'm going to put on this EV Advanced Glow Out Highlighter in Strobe sa inner corners ng aking eyes and then sa brow bone para ma-highlight sila at mag-add ng mas bonggang pop. So I think it's better to wet my brush. I'm gonna use a little bit ng MAC Fix Plus for that. So, try natin ulit. I want it to look wet. Ooh, there you go. Like that. I'm going to set my face using the Max Fix Plus. So, gonna let it dry. I think for this look, sobrang perfect na maglagay na lang ng nude lipstick. But I think I want to go bold. So, I'm gonna use this lipstick from Maybelline. This is in the shade Gunmetal. So, here's how it looks. It's like a dark blue lipstick with konting shimmer. So, I'm gonna put it on and see if babagay siya. Ooh. Alright guys, so here's the finished look. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako gawin itong makeup look na to. I've been trying to do this like 2 to 3 times na, pero medyo nag-fail ako noon, pero buti na lang ngayon, successful na siya. If you want to recreate this look, just tag me on Instagram and in Facebook. Feel free to recreate it, and I hope marami kayong natutunan. And also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I leave my social media links down below. And also, if you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye!